Hello. I've been looking for a different headband, but yeah, never mind. I'll go and get it. Okay, I think this one's better, but also maybe not. Well, this will have to do. So hello guys and welcome back. My name is Stella and here we do a lot of lenses reviews. So this is another day, another lenses video. This is the last part of the latest unboxing that I'm doing from MYEYEBB. It's one of my favorite companies. I have never had a problem with it. You can find the rest of the videos over here for more and more colors. But today we're gonna do Neala Brown and Neala Yellow Brown and Rare Iris Green and Blue. So if you're ready for what's about to come, let's get this started. Their packaging is always so cute. They come in a box. They have their little lenses boxes too, and it also comes with a little box, and I usually write like what lens it is. Here, look. I usually write what lens it is and when I opened it. It also has a little leaflet, a little book that gives you their Instagram instructions on how to wear the lenses and all that good stuff. And yes, what's left now is to wear the lenses. Now let me tell you that you can have 20% off if you use my code STELLA20, or buy 2 and get 2 for free if you use my code STELLA in your next order. So let's see. All their lenses are very comfortable. They're 1-year lenses, which means from the time you open them, you have 12 months until you have to go get your brand new lenses again. So yes, let the eyes speak for themselves. This is Neala Yellow Brown. The Neala collection is pretty small, so the diameter is 14. So yeah, it's not going to be like an enlarging effect, but it's probably going to enhance your actual color. Let's see. So this is a comparison. It was inside out. So this is a side to side. Let's wear them both. This is what it looks like. This is a very nice warm green. It looks very natural. You won't have, it doesn't really look like you're wearing anything like super crazy. So it makes your eyes a nice olive color, I would say. Yeah. Let me show you what it looks like in natural daylight. If I had to guess, this is probably the warmer tone. The other one's going to be a cooler brown. We'll see. The diameter is 14 on this one too. This is what the lens looks like. They honestly look very similar. You gotta be pretty careful when it comes to trying the lenses on for the first time because they've been through hell to come to you, and they probably, like, a lot of them come inside out. So you'll have to check if the lens stands like this. It's all good to go in your eye. If it stands like outwards though, the corners, you should twist it and then put it in your eye. Is it in? It's in. So this is what the brown looks like, side to side with my brown eyes. I wasn't expecting this to be a huge difference. And this is what they both look like together. But let's check what it looks like in natural light, because maybe I'm not doing it justice. So it does actually give my eyes some more dimension because it has a limbal ring that goes on the brown of my eyes, and it has some highlights for the brown. So it looks really natural. Yeah, it's nice. Moving on, we got the Rare Iris series. We got two colors from this, the blue and the green. And I will start with the green one. I think I've tried more of that collection in other videos. You can check my list of lenses try-ons. But yeah, ooh, this looks so pretty. This is what the lens looks like. Very prominent limbal ring here. It's like a darker green than the rest of the, but overall it looks like a pretty translucent iris. So oh, this looks amazing actually. It looks very good. This is a side to side. Let me try the other one. Oh, that looks very, very cute. And let me show you what it looks like outside. Seeing this outside, it looks such a dark, nice green, so vibrant, and I think it's gonna look amazing with some red hair. My personal opinion. So pleasantly surprised by this. I like it a lot. So going to the next one, which is the blue version of this. I think it's gonna be dope as well. The diameter for both of these is 14.2. So it's like the most common you would find usually. That's what the lens and what the box looks like. It looks so good. So let's try this. Wow. Such a nice baby blue. I really like this one. So this is a side to side. And let's try the other one too. Wow. Yeah, that's absolutely stunning. That's both of them in. And the coverage and how natural it looks, it's crazy. Like how? How does this happen? When I was a teenager, we didn't have that. Because I know that I would have gone crazy with that, but yeah, that's insane. Let me show you what it looks like in actual daylight and you'll understand what I'm talking about. And it's even a cloudy day. So yeah, it's actually amazing. I hope you guys enjoyed them. I do have a code for you, a discount code. It's STELLA20 for 20% off your entire order, or Stella by itself for buy two and get two for free. So yeah, I hope you guys like these colors. I'm actually obsessed with this one. I keep looking at it at the viewfinder. So if you're looking for even more colors, you can find more videos of mine over here. And I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day. Happy shopping. Bye.